Is your Windows computer feeling slower than it used to? Wintoys brings several Windows management tools together in one place, making it easier to review settings, manage startup apps, free up storage, and optimize your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Wintoys to help improve Windows performance. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu. Wait for the application to load and display its main dashboard. Wintoys organizes many useful Windows management tools into easy-to-navigate categories. Next, check your system information and storage overview. Review available disk space, hardware details, and other system information to identify areas that may need attention. This gives you a better idea of where performance improvements might be possible. Now open the Startup Apps section and review the programs that launch automatically when Windows starts. Disabling applications you don't need at startup can help reduce boot time and free up system resources. Be careful not to disable software that's required for your hardware or security. Next, use Wintoys cleanup features to remove unnecessary files if they're available in your version. Clearing temporary files and other unused data can help recover storage space. While this won't increase your computer's hardware performance, having more available disk space can help Windows operate more efficiently in some situations. Finally, explore the remaining Windows management features available in Wintoys, such as installed apps, services, or system settings. Making thoughtful adjustments and keeping Windows updated are good long-term habits for maintaining a responsive computer, and that's how to improve Windows performance with Wintoys. Regularly reviewing startup apps, removing unnecessary files, and monitoring your system can help keep your Windows PC running smoothly over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.